Picture this. You press the button to open your garage door, and instead of smooth operation, you get jerky movements and an unsteady door. Often, the culprit behind this is worn or broken cables. These essential components bear the brunt of lifting your door day in and day out, and when they fray or snap, the door can't operate correctly. If you're experiencing this problem in the Helensburgh area, don't risk the safety or security of your home. Call 0409-774-111 now to have your garage door cables expertly repaired by qualified professionals. Act today to restore the reliability of your garage door.